Hello friends, many of the times you might have noticed this type of situation with the mint plant. Leaf formation becomes less, the stems might tend to die, dried out. This happens with various reasons, maybe because of water clogging, maybe lack of nutrients, or sometimes the soil mix gets too hard which will not allow aeration to the roots. We can always bring back the greenery with these mint leaves by adding some nutrients, but it's only a temporary adjustment. And also we can always plant new mint cuttings, but this is a time taking process as the plant requires some time to grow the roots first and then the leaves. In this situation we have fully formed roots to this plant and we have to make use of it. So there is a small technique which we can follow and revive our plants completely. So watch this video till end. In the first step, remove all the stems, both green and dried ones. Use the green leaves for cooking and other purposes and discard the dried ones out. Remove the unwanted plants like weeds and others. Now the second step is to just create a block and remove it gently. This way we are keeping the roots intact. Collect as many blocks as you want. It depends on the container in which you wanted to plant the next time. I generally use the same type of container. Look at these blocks, it has roots intact and also the leaves are green. If you follow this method, the plant doesn't require too much of time for the formation of roots and getting back to life, since we are not disturbing anything, just we are adding a new soil mix and just placing above it. Now arrange these blocks on a freshly prepared soil, if possible a fresh container. Cover it with soil and just water it daily. Since the roots are already developed, it will not be long before you see beautiful leaves coming out. Now this is the harvest time. Enjoy the fresh cuttings. So friends, hope you liked this video. If you found the content interesting, please subscribe the channel and do share. Thank you for watching.